Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to restore missing chats on Messenger. If chats are missing in Messenger, they may have been archived, filtered, hidden, or affected by a syncing issue. In many cases, you can restore access to your conversations by checking a few settings and refreshing the app. Now, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your missing Messenger chats. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in into the correct Facebook account. Tap the search bar and enter the name of the person whose chat is missing. Open the conversation if it appears in the search results. Check your archived chats and move the conversation back to your main chat list if it was archived. Review your message requests and spam folder for messages from people who aren't in your contacts. Verify that you haven't accidentally blocked the person by checking your Messenger or Facebook blocking settings. Refresh your internet connection by switching between Wi Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to your current network. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. Update Messenger to the latest version from your device's App Store. Restart your phone to refresh the app and network connection. If the chats still don't appear, sign out of Messenger and sign back in. Ask the other person to send you a new message, which may bring the conversation back to your chat list. If the conversation was permanently deleted, it cannot be restored through Messenger, so contact Meta support only if you believe there's an account or syncing issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.